crowd, going wild, there ain't no stopping. Whoa, it goes swing back.
हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज हम वन टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप दैट इज़ कॉल्ड जनरल लीनियर ग्रुप इसके विषय में जानेंगे और ग्रुप रिलेटेड एक थ्योरम को प्रूव करेंगे. सो लेट्स बिगिन. व्हाट इज़ जनरल लीनियर ग्रुप? लेट S be the set of all 2 by 2 non-singular matrices whose elements are real numbers. ओके, S ऐसा एक सेट है जिसमें 2 by 2 वो मैट्रिसेस है जिसका डिटर्मिनेंट नॉन ज़ीरो है. S is a proper subset of M2R. That means all the 2 by 2 matrices whose entries are real number. So S is a proper subset of M2R. We prove that S forms a non-commutative group under matrix multiplication. ओके, S एक नॉन कम्यूटेटिव ग्रुप फॉर्म करेंगे. ओके, S को ग्रुप प्रूफ करने के लिए 4 कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना होगा. दैट इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, सेकेंड कंडीशन इज एसोसिएटिविटी, थर्ड कंडीशन आइडेंटिटी होल्ड्स एंड फोर्थ कंडीशन ऑल द एलिमेंट्स इनवर्स होल्ड. सो द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज क्लोजर. सो लेट ए बी belongs to S. Okay, so we know that A belongs to S, that is determinant A not equal to 0 because A is non-singular, and determinant B is also non-zero because B is also non-singular. So now determinant of AB, that is determinant of A, determinant of B, this not equal to 0, this not equal to 0. So this not equal to 0. Therefore, S is closed under multiplication. The second property is associativity. Okay, matrix multiplication is associative on S. The third condition is identity holds. We know that I2, that is 1 0 0 1, this belongs to S because determinant of this non-zero, and I2 into A that equal to A into I2 that equal to A holds for all A that belongs to S. So from the identity property we say that I2 is the identity matrix. Now the fourth condition, that is the inverse property. Let A belongs to S. That means determinant A that not equal to 0. A is non-singular. Hence A inverse is a 2 by 2 matrix, and determinant of A inverse that equal to 1 by determinant A. Now determinant A is non-zero. So 1 by determinant A is also non-zero. That means obviously A inverse belongs to S. So inverse property holds. Therefore S dot is a group. We know that for matrix AB belongs to S, A dot B not equal to B dot A in general. So the group is non-commutative group. And this group is called the general linear group of degree 2 over R, and it is denoted as GL2R. That is, 2 means the matrix are all 2 by 2 matrices and all the entries are real number. So this is called general linear group of degree 2 over R. It is denoted as GL2R. Okay, the next theorem is, let G0 be a semi-group, and for any two elements AB in G, each of the equations A composed x equal to B and y composed A equal to B has a solution in G, then G0 is a group. ओके, G0 एक सेमी ग्रुप है, उसको ग्रुप होने के लिए ये कंडीशन होल्ड होना होगा. ओके, लेट्स प्रूव. ओके, सिंस G0 is a semi group, so obviously G is closed under composition and the composition is associative. Now take an element in G. Let E belongs to G. Now let E be an element in G satisfying the equation A composed X equal to A, and E dash be an element in G satisfying the equation Y composed A equal to A. Since E satisfy the equation this, we can write A composed E equal to A, and E dash satisfy the equation this, then E dash composed A equal to A. Now let C be an element in G. Now P be a solution of the equation this, and Q be the solution of Y composed A equal to C. Then A composed P equal to C because P is the solution of this, and Q composed A equal to C because Q is the solution of this. Now C composed E equal to Q composed A composed E because we have Q composed A equal to C. Now since G is a semi group, so composition is associative, so we can write this as this. Now A composed E equal to A, we have this, and Q composed A equal to C, we have this. Okay, since C is arbitrary, we can write A composed E equal to A for all A in G. Again, E dash composed C, that equal to E dash composed A composed P. A composed P is C. We have equal to, this is associative, so E dash composed A composed P, and we have A equal to E dash composed A. So we can write this, and A composed P equal to C we have. Now C is arbitrary, so we can write E dash composed A equal to A for all A in G. Now we have from this E dash composed E equal to E dash, and from this E dash composed E equal to E, and from this two we write E equal to E dash. So there exists an element E in G such that E composed A equal to A composed E equal to A. This holds for all A in G. So E is the identity element. Now we prove the inverse property. Then we say that G is a group. Okay, let A dash be the solution of the equation this, and A double dash be the solution of the equation this. So A composed A dash equal to E, and A double dash composed A equal to E. We have A double dash composed A dash, that equal to A double dash composed A dash because composition is associative. Now A double dash composed A, that equal to E. We put it composed A dash equal to A double dash composed A dash, that equal to E. We put here, so E composed A dash, that equal to A dash, and A double dash composed E, that equal to A double dash. Now we say that for each element A in G, there exists an element A dash such that A dash composed A, that equal to A composed A dash in E. So A dash is the inverse of A. Therefore G0 is a group. ओके, मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं एक ग्रुप के थ्योरम बोलूँगी. सो थैंक यू.